I know it's difficult for a vet to ask for help. I didn't ask for help. My mom sensed it. If that's what it takes, I mean, let your loved ones know there's something that you need. Reach out to the ones that you love. Let them know how you're feeling. And I'm telling you, these animals are life-changing. Being a single guy, I never thought I would find the one that I love. And I did. This is the one that I love. Her love for me, the unconditional love that she gives me, you can't replace that. You can't.